Hiya! Welcome to Easy English.
Our channel helping you learn authentic English, how it's truly spoken in everyday conversations.
We show you everyday conversations. We help you with our videos on our YouTube channel and on Instagram, and with our podcast that you can find on any podcast app.
I'm Mitch, and as a native speaker, I really want to show you the authenticity of English speakers in the city of Brighton, a place surrounded by the most eccentric and fun people in the world. I want to show you the more authentic parts of the English language and culture, the way people really speak, with slang, grammatical errors and swearing, accents and dialects.
You want to tell the story?
You tell the story. I always tell the story.
Be confident. Confidence is sexy.
What's a Wetherspoons?
So it's... What question? Take the risk. That's it.
Do you have to drink in a pub?
No, you haven't got to drink in a pub. I drink at home as well.
That's not what I meant.
People in the UK take Huon very seriously.
You're so amazing, and I don't know, you don't really seem to know it that much.
After our first date, we kind of we're together.
I love Brighton. I love the place.
Why don't you put that down and pick that up and have a go?
I'm Izzy, and I came to England 7 years ago, and I know what the struggles are. To really dive into a language and to be able to go to a store or to a pub and understand the people, how they really speak, and be able to be comfortable with the language and actually open up and speak to people. So we want to help you exactly with that, with everyday conversations. We want to show you how people really speak, but also help you to be the one that will go out and speak to people.
Can you tell me what you're up to today in Brighton? What would you say is the other person's best quality?
Oh!
Is it fair to say that you two are best friends?
Yes.
BFFs?
Yes. Yeah, BFFs. But yeah, totally. Yeah.
For those of you who are beginners, we also have our slow, easy English videos. We want you to learn and improve your English vocabulary and pronunciation in a fun way for beginner to intermediate learners. With our super easy English playlist, we give you slower conversations for different everyday scenarios. Alongside our videos showing you the authentic English language, we also have a podcast which is going to show you a little insight into British culture. Our podcast is available on your podcast app and sometimes as a video podcast on our YouTube channel. Izzy and I regularly sit down to chat and discuss the weird and wonderful parts of British culture. We'll deep dive into the specifics of British behaviour, traditions, taboos, phrases and slang. We'll compare experiences from our two different perspectives as a native Brit and a German expat and discuss regular pop culture topics to give you the lowdown on what it's like living in the UK. We also give you the chance to write to us and we'll answer all of your questions in our regular topic of unhelpful advice. Our podcast is here to help you feel like you can fit in and integrate into the English-speaking world. If you want to take your English to that next level or just help support mine and Izzy's work, then you can. If you join our Easy English membership, then we'll send you loads of downloads and extras that use our videos and podcasts to create useful learning material. We also have our fun and helpful online conversation classes, divided into 3 different membership categories.
So our first membership is the supporter membership. This is basically for everyone. If you're a learner, a teacher, or you just watch our videos and listen to our podcast for fun. Every member in the supporter membership will become part of our Discord community. Discord is a chat tool where you can basically chat with all the other members and us. And maybe you want to find international friends. We're a bunch of international people there that write every day in English about basically everything. We discuss life, we improve our English, and we get to know each other. There are people from all around the world, people that learn English for their job, that just move to an English-speaking country, or just really want to make friends. On top of being a member of our Discord community and writing every day in English, we provide weekly challenges for you and also yearly events to really fast-track your English learning journey. This is your chance to daily practice English, write in English every day, and support our project with a tiny amount.
If you really want to dive into the English language and improve your English comprehension skills, then become a learner member. There you'll get perks for our video and podcasts. For our videos, we offer worksheets, vocabulary lists, transcripts, and video downloads for all of our episodes, with and without subtitles. This means you can be creative with how you want to improve your everyday English. Perhaps you want to fill in the blanks of the worksheet after watching the episode with a vocabulary list, read along with the transcript whilst listening to the episode, or watch the download of the episode without subtitles to test your listening skills. We'll supply you with the material and you can be in charge of your English learning journey. Or maybe you want to try the interactive transcript for our podcasts. The interactive transcript player allows you to play every episode and read along in real time. Hiya, I'm Mitch.
Hello, I'm Easy.
We want to give you a free podcast to help you learn English. If you become stuck, simply click the translate button and you'll find the entire transcript can be translated into the language of your choice, allowing you to translate specific sentences that you need help with. The interactive transcript is available on your laptop or phone, allowing you to improve your listening skills anywhere, at work, on the train, whilst you clean, and on the go. Or maybe you want to join our conversation membership in our online pub. With our conversation membership set to the theme of a typical British pub, you'll get to meet us and other people from all other cultures and countries around the world to come and practice your English on a weekly basis.
This is for you if you want to fully immerse into the English language. You want to not only comprehend and understand, but you want to go out and talk. You want to go to a pub like we are here now and talk to the people, order beer, be able to make new friends and actually really integrate, go to that pub night out.
So maybe you want to get the engine going on that school English you learnt back when you were a child, and you want to take your English to that next level because maybe you've hit a wall or you've become a bit nervous about speaking English, then this is the place for you to come. So the conversation membership isn't necessarily for people who are looking to visit England or come to England. Maybe you just want to interact with your friends, your loved ones, or your work colleagues in an English-speaking environment, then this is really the place where you can help pick up your English where you left it back at school.
You can then bring your English to the next level and actually feel comfortable with it.
By becoming conversation member, not only are you going to join us and other members in the pub, you'll also be eligible for all of the perks for our learner membership and have access to our Discord. And if what we're telling you isn't enough, then here's some words from some of our lovely members.
I'm Paulo and I was watching all the Easy English videos, but I felt that I was practicing alone, so I decided to become a member. And what I found was a warm place to practice. And what I like most is that on Discord and during the pub calls, people ask smart questions, not basic stuff like what is the weather today. We are having a real conversation, and that's, I think, it's helping my English grow.
The reason why I decided to be a member of Easy English is that I was searching for English learning community. The best part about it is our conversation session where we meet others members and also with Easy and Mitch. And yeah, the atmosphere is really calm, nice, friendly. So I really like it.
At the conversation, you can try your English in a natural way. And I think there is an environment when we don't have pressure, we don't have tasks, and we don't have to do something right. You can make mistakes, and this is so human and acceptable, and I think I feel like a friend of the others members in the conversations sessions.
Basically, it's the community feeling which is the best thing about it.
So if you're not sure if the conversation membership is for you, maybe you're feeling a bit nervous or you're not too sure what your English level is, then we're offering you a 7-day free trial. So come try it out. We're looking forward to meeting you in our online pub. Cheers.
Cheers.
So if you're looking to improve your English or just help support us as a learner, a teacher, or just for fun, then come and join our membership at easyenglish.video/membership and come be part of our community. Ta-ra!